You have an awesome responsibility. Whether you're a pastor or a church leader, every time you're in front of your congregation, you have this opportunity to influence. The challenge is you have to create a new message every single week. That can be daunting. And how do you deliver it effectively? The question is, do they remember and act upon your message? Hey there, this is Darren LaCroix. I've been coaching pastors and speakers at the world-class level for a long time. I love what I get to do to help you deliver a sermon that sticks. I had a pastor recently say to me, man, I wish I learned this 30 years ago at seminary. I got together with my pastor, Vince Antonucci, author of 4 books and one of the most unforgettable pastors. He just has a message that resonates and creates illustrations that stick. So join Vince and me and my coach, Mark Brown, for Sermons That Stick, a 6-week virtual class that will show you a step-by-step world-class process how to create sermons that stick. Hey, whatever process you have, if it's working, great. But what if there's 1 or 2 more ideas that you could add to your tool belt to help create stickier sermons? Check it out. Go to sermonsthatstick.com and see how we can help you with a proven process from a world-class level. Check it out.